Okay, Unique Jamboree back. Now we're going to go over how to place your magnets to your lid so we can go ahead and properly place the topper and have it all come together perfectly so that way it's removable. This part has to set for 48 hours, so keep that in mind. Okay, and we are back with our lid and attaching our topper, removable topper to our lid. So first you peel off the backing to your magnets. The magnets come in a tape form like this from Walmart. I have better magnets that are stronger, but they're way too thick. So these are just going to have to do it because those other magnets, they're just way too thick. It just does not look, I just do not like the look. So I will post the appropriate link for the magnet, in this video. Okay, so I took the backing off and placed them down just to kind of position them. The reason I didn't glue them yet is because I want to position my magnet with my topper. I want it all to kind of be lined up correctly. So right now I am simply taking the back off. This adhesive is not very strong, so it's very easy to pull on and off. And then that way we can actually put the glue on once we get the desired look we're going for. So I have it topped off here. So far this one, I don't like it. We need to piece this back a little bit because we want it to be fairly out the way of the sippy lid. I mean, out of the way of where the straw is going to go. So now I place them up a little further, and these, I'm going to have to move these up a little. Then the gist of your tumbler being successful, I mean, the chances is very high. You know what I mean? So right now, my best bet is to let this sit a little longer and let it cure overnight before I even touch it. I won't touch it again. And then once it cures, we can go ahead and remove our base. So we'll just let that sit all night. This video was to show you how to apply the magnets. The first video was to kind of show you how the toppers work with the UV resin. And you always want to start with the hot glue and then use the UV resin to seal all of your peels to keep them waterproof. So if you have any questions, if I didn't go over something and you want to ask something else about the toppers, feel free to inbox me via Facebook. YouTube, I don't even know if YouTube has a messenger, but however you can reach me, feel free to reach me. I'm pretty friendly and I don't mind helping. So, thank you so much. And again, join our group, the Mamapreneurs group. It's an amazing group of entrepreneur women. You don't have to be a mom, just a go-getter. And, yeah, so, and Unique Jamboree is our page. If you want to like it, subscribe, you know, we make all kinds of cool little stuff. So we're learning, we're growing, and we're sharing. Thank you. Y'all have a great night.